Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bites from Chitra Cars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives. Subscribe the channel, write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me more videos. Today, the new car prices have skyrocketing and many people wants to buy cars, but they cannot buy a new car, or it is not reachable, and the prices have gone up because of the features etc added, and the prices minimum car is anything is around 7 to 8 lakhs. The people who wants to buy second hand car, the 5 important things which you should look at while you're buying a pre-owned car or a second hand car. Buying a second hand car or a pre-owned car is more viable people who are using now, because they know the value for money and how the depreciation happened for the new car. So they are preferring buying pre-owned cars or second-hand cars. The 5 points which I am discussing today is: number 1, please don't buy limited edition cars. The reason is the manufacturer makes 100, 200 or 300 cars for a limited period and sells it, like a car which we like Stingray or something, a limited edition cars where their parts are not available. For example, that car, you're buying a pre-owned car and that car met with an accident and the headlamp is gone. You will not be able to get that headlamp. Even in the company, it will take time, at least 6 months or 1 year to get that, or they don't even manufacture it again because it's a limited edition. So make sure you don't buy a limited edition car, and because their parts, other things are not available. The second point is never buy looking at the safety. Make sure that the safety, you will not get ADAS features in the pre-owned cars, but you should look at safety of yours. Important, like at least 1 or 2 airbags available, ABS is available, because ABS protects you before the accident, airbags protects you after the accident. So make sure your car, your pre-owned car has ABS, airbags etc for your safety. Then third thing is, don't buy cars which are high maintenance. The cars like Skoda, Jeep, their parts are very high, and their maintenance, if you go to a service station and get it serviced, it will cost you very high. So those cars, when you buy, you might get at a cheaper price, but the cost of maintenance is very high. So don't look at buying that cars. Then the fourth point is, don't buy, because you're getting a car at a cheaper price, 1 lakh or 2 lakhs, don't buy outdated models like Chevrolet or Fiat. These cars, they models like Cruise, other models which are outdated. Please don't buy that, because you will get at a cheaper price, but their maintenance will cost you more. The last point is important, that whenever you are buying a second hand car, get it evaluated by a trusted mechanic of yours. Take the car, get it checked with a mechanic, because he will be a better person. He will tell you that the clutch plate is going to be worn off in other 5,000 kilometers or etc. How are the brake pads, how is the engine condition etc. How is the AC? Like for example, AC is not functioning, it might be only a gas, or the compressor is gone. So the mechanic would be a right person who will guide you and tell you the car is good, or what is the expenditure which will happen in the future. These are the 5 important points while you're buying a second hand car. Get it done. Follow this. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.